Hey guys, Combo Gamer here, back with another video. What you can see now is me descending and lining up with the runway at YSSY, Yankee Sierra Sierra Yankee, or Sydney International Airport if you will.
2500.
Yeah. Dropping gear. Boom. Uh oh, clouds. That's not good. Want to keep it this attitude. Actually, very laggy. Let's get rid of that. Okay, now that just much down. I should try to hit it. Okay, the airport should be to our right somewhere. Oh my god, pull back. More flaps. And we'll leave the flaps there. The airport is in front of us. It's there. If I stand that line that you can see there. I'm way too low. I mean, at Qantas Airways 747. I'm sorry about the uploads, guys. I think I'll just upload out the intro. I don't see any runway lights yet. That's the runway, I'm pretty sure. Let's keep following our map here. Oh, there's the lights. We're nearly out of the fuel because for some reason the fuel is actually really low. Only 9.4% fuel, full of fuel. Oh, it's actually quite tiring. I've been on this flight. Well, I haven't been here the whole time. I set it up early. I set up around 10 o'clock. No, yeah. Well, I don't know. It's now 7:26. Go back 8 hours, and that's when I set it up. But it's been an 8-hour flight. That's old. So far, it's been 8 hours and 16 minutes. So by the time I land, it'll probably be 8 hours and 20 minutes. We'll go full nut to the flaps. Full flaps. Landing. Deploying air brakes. Okay, that's not like me putting air brakes on. Okay, it's gonna be a warning. What's the warning now? Auto throttle. Yeah, I know I disengaged the auto throttle. Get over it. You never get straight. Okay. Keep it nice and steady. Air brakes out again. Hey, yes, shush. Okay, maybe it doesn't want me landing on this runway.
1000.
giving us a number. But well, anyway. This is the longest runway, so it's probably the safest one. It said crosswind. Oh, come on, not crosswind. Anything but crosswind. 500. That's what I'd cover over. As you can see, I'm not flying in a straight line at the moment.
Approaching 16 right. 400.
Yeah, I think I'm supposed to be on 16 left, but I'm on 16 right. 300. Never mind.
200. 100.
Oh, here we go.
100. Sync rate 50. 50. 30. 20. 30.
I don't want this.
20.
Come on. Reverse thrust. Oh, it's not here. Attention passengers, this is your captain speaking. We have successfully landed. Welcome to Sydney International Airport, or Kingsford Smith International Airport. That taxiway is too small. We are going to taxi to a gate, and there we will be able to onboard the aircraft, and we hope to see you on this flight again. Thank you. Well, that was a successful landing, if I do say so myself. 8.5 hour flight, not too shabby. Landing lights off. Now, I took off at Hong Kong International Airport at 1 o'clock in the morning. Well, that's the time in the game it was. Now, it is now fright. I don't know what time it is though. But yeah, there was definitely some crosswind. Can't get this plane driving straight. No planes. Off we go. I gotta find a heavy gate. To me, there's not gonna be one here. Oh, maybe the heavy gates are on the outside for big planes. Oh, can I get past this building? like a heavy gate over there. Good part there then. Ah! That's not where I want to be. Go back now. I shouldn't technically do this. Oh, you know what? We'll just end the thing with this. And I can sleep. Aircraft. Nose cam. Okay, stop. Uh, the cockpit. Stop. Bloody hell. Hey, now I want to put parking brake on. So now I want to go to here and I want to find APU and I want to start it up. APU on, start. No, wait for that to start. And while we do that, we can go ahead and shut down the engines. And we have no console. Now we have to wait for the APU to start. Oh no, we're running out of power. Come on, APU. APU still not on. This is great. Come on, APU, start. I believe in you. Oh, we gotta do something well done. Oh, all I want to do is open doors. Okay, that's gonna have to do it for this video, you guys. APU's been a bitch and isn't turning on. So that's gonna be it for this. Well, I believe. I think. APU doesn't want to be on. Okay. See you guys.